Hello guys, my name is Mahid Abbazadi and today I'm back with another video. Today, as you're wondering why I'm holding screwdrivers, is because my mom tried to start the dishwasher, but it's showing a LC code right here. Me and my dad are gonna try to fix it in order my mom to start the dishwasher. And one of these screwdrivers is flat, which is this one, and one of these screwdrivers is flip, which is this one. So we're gonna fix it. Our dishwasher so you guys can try this at home too. And we're gonna check if this works or not. Me and my dad just watched a video, so we're not sure if it will work or not. So let's get to it, Dad.
Okay.
So first, we have to open this, and as you see, this black cord, it's a mean power, so we need to turn off the power because you might get a spark or it might burst. So you need to take this out. So in order to have safety, and remember, if you're doing this, safety always comes first, right, Dad?
Yes.
And if you're really scared, just wear protection, right? So now we close it. So when we open this, there's two of these screws somewhere in here. So we're gonna remove that one, with one of these screwdrivers, which is flip, and so we don't need the flat right now. So where do I put it, Dad?
Hold like this.
Oh. Okay. Right here.
And anti-clockwise.
And yeah. And remember, I don't press it, or else you might stab yourself in the eye or something.
Can I?
Yeah, you can help me. I couldn't do it. So my dad is helping me with these two screws right here. And then we're gonna take it out, right, Dad? We gotta take it out. I'll hold the screw. Just put it on there. Here's the other one. Oh.
Okay.
Ready?
Now we need to take out.
We have to take out the dishes in order to take out the dishwasher, because we don't want this heavy. My dad's gonna take it out because it's dangerous with the glass. So my dad said he'll take it out and told me to record. Is it hard? Oh, okay. Now if you have a glass dishwasher, then be careful with it. And you can help your parents if you want. Okay, so we gotta take this out. Yes, finally! So So what I'm gonna say, this was stuck, but then my mom came to help, and finally, so this was stuck. So me and my dad tried to figure out a way, and my dad figured out a way, so I helped him, and we filled, but then right now you saw I pulled it out. It was a little bit stuck. It needed only one person, so I did it. My dad is a genius, but at the same time, I am right.
Yes, right.
So now we're gonna do that.
Okay, we are going to take off this cover on the side right here.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we can take a look at the sensor.
Alright. So
Anti-clockwise.
this?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. Anti-clockwise. I have to put this in right. Okay. So me and my dad now took it off, and
I don't know you guys can see this, but I didn't find any unusual thing. Just water is right here. I'm going to wipe it out, and then let's see. But it's not that much water, just a little bit. Oh, okay. I can show you guys. Yeah, that one is dry. So that's it. So I can just put the cover back on. And let's see how the things work. Changing hand. So because I'm holding my phone, making the video. So there is nothing unusual from this side. And let's try before I can just put it back in. So let's try how the things work. Okay, so now the power, I already turn on the power breaker. Then let's see. Oh yes, the cord is gone. That's just because of the moisture. And I cleaned the water from both sides. So the water is from there was nothing on this side, but on the other side there, which I show you. But now the things work. But it's not easy to take it out, this one, but we can try it. My son, he go to sleep because it's too late. He has a school tomorrow, so that's why. That's perfectly fine. Now put it back in, everything. You need to. Now again, I just try to take off the power. Just want to make sure There is no electric supply, so safety comes first. I can just do this. Okay, I just want to make sure sensors go right. Now they both are in the right position. I can, okay. Okay, now here you go. When you guys try to open it, please take off the power, turn off the water supply. Wanna be safe. If you don't know how to do it, just call your insurance. I have a little bit knowledge and I saw the videos, so that's why I can just try to do that. But if you don't have any knowledge, so please do not do it, and because this might be dangerous. Because if you forgot to take off the power and you are going to start working on the sensor, might be you can just got a shock with the electric, so be careful guys. Okay, now I'm going to push it in and everything is all set. Take care, thank you, subscribe the channel, and peace. Thank you guys, bye.